You guys ready? Here we go. Oh, this has already changed the way my video looks. One of the things that I don't have here is good lighting. This is my room. Beside the audio, this is super far. Beside the audio, I don't have good lighting, and actually, if it wasn't for this lav mic, there'd be a lot of echo in here. There probably is. I haven't heard it yet, but it sounds like there could be some echo. That brings me to this Zhiyun. I have here is the CX100. It is a 100 watt CX100 light. I think some light might be better than none. And this light is small. It's small, it's light. And that's what I'm looking for. I don't have a big studio that I can use. So this tiny light might be the exact one that I'm looking for. Power button, knobs on the side, fan, holds it kind of nicely. Here's a power, also USB Type-C. I'm thinking you can just power it on like that. It also comes with a USB Type-C cable. It has this tiny portable one. If you wanted to just bring this, you can just clamp it on. You know, I'm gonna charge it while I do the rest. Probably good to light up some product shots. Maybe even just a section of your hand or something smaller. It's a small light. So something this big is actually going to change a lot. This is the adapter for this guy. Now this is what I'm talking about. Oh, see this? You just mount it to the top. This is what's gonna make it nice and bright. This is like a curtain because this is a lantern. You want to block out certain areas if you don't want the rest of your scene bright. Because it's a lantern, it's just everywhere. That being said, don't put it together first. That was mistake number one. Hold the lantern up, push it down, and the lantern is gonna expand, and you're just gonna connect it. It makes things so easy. This thing is bright, Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Top dial is, whoa. Top dial is to adjust the temperature. Bottom dial is to adjust the brightness. And this thing is so bright. Holy moly. I did not expect that. Oh my gosh. You guys ready? Here we go. Oh, this has already changed the way my video looks. Look at this. Look at how much it has changed. This is my video, super dark. Whoa, look at that. I don't have a tripod though. Gosh, if I have a tripod mounted like here somewhere. All right, that thing is really bright, so guess what? I can turn down my ISO. But yeah guys, this is making me have like a ghost feeling to this. But that is the light. Gosh, just wish I had like a tripod. Just like that, this light is pretty bright. It's bright, it's yellow, I love it. It already makes a huge difference in a video like this. Because watch, if I turn it off, this is what you guys see. This is like, that's it. This is how dark it is. You can't even see my face, you can't see anything. This is pretty much the video as is. To turn on the light, what do you think? I mean, I still need a tripod for that, some nice background here, but we're adding one thing at a time, and just this light alone being so small, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment below. I think this light is how easy to set up, how small it is, how much it can actually do is a huge difference. It helps so much just to have something like that. This is all powered by this little guy. And it's wireless. Wireless. You don't understand how much I love wireless thing and the fact that this can be held around wirelessly. It's dope and it's quiet. Look. You barely can hear the fan. I love it. I love it. Let me know what you think about this light, and if you want to see more about it, I will leave the link in the description below where you can get it. Check it out. It's a great light.